Greetings from Söderbysjön, the spontaneous nude beach spot in the Swedish forest in Nacka. It is 8th of May 2026, currently 1:40 p.m. and the sun is up even today, and we have 15 degrees Celsius in the air. That's stunning. That's super stunning. And yeah, it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris from another spontaneous nude beach spot in the beautiful nature. Now I see that something is different about this place. I think they have cut down some trees, it seems, since last time I was here. But it's gonna be the same water in the lake for sure. Now I was a few hundred meters down that way 2 days ago, and it was 14 degrees Celsius in the lake back then. So I really hope that we have that temperature even today, so I can go in for a longer swim. But on this end we have a bit of wind, so I wanted to go on the other side where there is no wind at all, and it's much more hotter that way. But we are here because here it's convenient, and I have a lot of work to do for Eurovision preparations for next week, because next week is Eurovision week. Eurovision and beach and travel are the three things that I really like and enjoy the most. That's my top three things, top three hobbies, I would say. Söderbysjön, I did actually cycle to get here with my Scott gravel bike. Let me show you. It measured 8 kilometers, 22 minutes. I think it usually it's 7.5, but now I have a detour as they are building one apartment complex that looked amazing to buy. That's right next to this forest, but I didn't book it because it's a bit expensive. Maybe when the buyers first move in, and then if someone sells it, maybe. Yes, it is still 14 degrees Celsius in the lake, which is amazing. So we're gonna have a bit of a longer dip today in the lake. So let's then get going. Let's enjoy a nice dip in the lake together. So yeah, beach day number 31 is today actually, and the water will be getting warmer and warmer as we move along. The wind doesn't ease things up at all. Alright, so we are ready for a dip and another beach adventure with Chris from the beautiful nature. So yeah, the water is quite warm, so we can go in right away. Let's go. Whew. It's amazing, so refreshing, so nice, and look at the nature. It's magnificent. In a forest like this, when it's blowing, you can find protection from the forest, obviously, if you choose to. If I choose to cycle 1 more kilometer around it, it could have been perfect. But even here, it gets a bit of protection from those trees. It's amazing. I love it. Look at that. It's brilliant. So yeah, Eurovision is coming up. Today is Friday, and I will be heading to Vienna on Monday, probably, if the flight goes. So let's see. I don't have ticket for the final, the actual final live. I have for 3 other shows, one for each show. I have ticket for the evening show and a jury show for the first semi-final, the afternoon show for the second semi-final, and the jury show for the final. I would love to have at least one ticket of a live show, real live show, but let's see. Greetings from Söderbysjön, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!